Okay, y'all, halfway through National Griddle Week, and that means one thing. It's time to do a giveaway. Now, I don't usually do giveaways on this channel, but guess what? For National Griddle Week, I'm doing just that. And what are we giving away, you might ask? We're going to do the Lowe's Blackstone seasonings that they sell at Lowe's. There's 8 of them. There's griddle chicken. There's blackened steak. There's essential blend. That's a good stuff. There's all kind of, there's 8 of them together. And you have a chance to win them. Now, here's what you need to do to win. Go down to the comments, leave me hashtag National Griddle Week, and be subscribed to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up. You're in. That's it. Don't mind if you share the video out. I would love for you to share this contest out. The more the merrier. Now, a couple things I do ask. Do not spam the comments. 1 per person, please. Do not go through there and just put a bunch of, National Griddle Weeks and all 1 person. We want to give a fair chance to everybody. So I do ask that. Do not spam the comments. When the winner will be announced? The winner will be announced Sunday, this coming Sunday, April 10th at 8 p.m. I will be going live on this channel right here at 8 o'clock. And what we'll do is we'll use a random comment generator. And what's going to happen is it will pick a comment from this very video. So if you do not comment on this video, you're not entered to win. So be sure you leave that comment down there, hashtag National Griddle Week, on this video for your chance to win this amazing seasoning pack I can send you. With that being said, that's it, y'all. Hope y'all have a great National Griddle Week. And oh, by the way, follow that hashtag National Griddle Week. There's some amazing recipes on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, even maybe on YouTube. Can't never tell. TikTok also. So if you want to be entered, be sure to get that hashtag. We'll see you Sunday.